Time to put it back together. And there we go. A few minutes later, it looks like this. So the professor is test fitting some parts on here, and we're looking at how it looks. So Julian said we're going to go for a ride, and when we park our bikes,
yeah, pieces are going to fall off.
Stuff like that might happen. That's okay though, as long as we got some of it left, right?
Yeah.
Does the weather have you feeling a little down? Do you have the winter blues? How about a calming, meditative video to make you feel a little better? Smells good in here, but I got to get out of here. Come on. One more startup for today. The next little task for this project is to build a dummy engine. So I happen to have this one, and see that? I can use this for my dummy engine. I need to go find a right cylinder to put on here. I'm going to take this crank out and get rid of this little water tube. Yeah, this poor thing had a catastrophic failure. This came out of a race bike that I bought a long time ago, many years ago. See inside there? I believe this guy ran this thing a little bit lean or something. That is melted aluminum down there. This crankshaft, I can barely move it if I really try. I would call it about 95% seized. Interesting crankshaft we have here. The rod bearings don't feel that bad. The end play on them, and just feeling it feels alright. But man, these bearings are notchy. I am making progress. Cannot get these carburetors to slide into these ancient manifolds. I have to be careful with some of these parts. This cylinder has been bored out. I think I have the pistons for it and all that. And this is quite a nice set of carburetors. When all else fails, get a bigger hammer, right? Got one side in. Now I have two sides in. Those are not coming out. Who needs clamps? There we go. Got some super high performance K&Ns on there. Ready to go racing. Or back over to Julian's to get some more frame modifications done. This here thick walled pipe that Julian made is supposed to fit right there, and this would probably work. I will be using foam unifilters. However, I'm not sure what carburetors will end up on this bike.